Hi friends, today's recipe is bread cheese sticks. The ingredients that we need today are 5 slices of bread, 5 slices of cheese and 2 teaspoons of butter. We start by cutting the edges of the bread. The next step is to use a rolling pin and make the bread really flat. Now I will place the cheese slice on the bread. Now we will roll up the bread along with the cheese real tight so that it looks like a stick. Take a non-stick pan, put it on medium to low heat and then put the 2 teaspoons of butter. Let your butter melt completely and then place your rolls on the pan. We will keep frying these rolls till they are light brown and crispy. Just move it all around so it becomes brown all over. My rolls are ready and these are for you. My bread cheese sticks are ready and my super taster is ready too.
So yummy!
So yummy.
Try this at home.
Friends, if you like my videos, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.
Thank you!